pain point where I have a lot of ideas, and then taking the phone out of the pocket, unlocking it, going to the notepad, sometimes the idea is already gone. So now with the Headphone 1, with the capture button, you just press it, say whatever you want to say, whatever the idea is, and then it shows up on your essential space. But I don't want to downplay the design. Like, what's your favorite color?
I thought it was the white, but actually having seen these glossy shots, I think that might have changed.
I like the white.
All right, well actually the next section is all about color, material and finish with Lucy, so let's take a look.
Okay.
When we were bringing all of these different materials together, aluminium has this natural sort of silver color, and we wanted to make sure that that felt right with essentially solid colours elsewhere. As you can see, it's got so much visual complexity. For us, the whole point is that this feels harmonious as an object when you look at it. So this tone of grey that's here on this top deco is the same as here,
Right.
which is not the same as the top. And then we had these like darker greys that are picked up elsewhere. So it feels very harmonious, but is actually really complex and it doesn't match. It would be quite easy to say, okay, well, we're going to do this aluminium shell and then everything is going to be the same colour, but actually it's not, and we've made that decision to have these parts that, you know, give you a bit of visual lightness at the top.
Yeah, the aluminium is really nice, but it definitely adds, well, it's not the lightest material.
But it makes it feel a lot more premium.
Yeah, and I've heard they're also lighter than a competitor's version as well.
That was important.
Yeah. All right, the next section is all about controls, so let's have a little watch of this.
Most importantly, we've got our on-off switch,
Yeah.
which you would expect would be a standard, but it isn't, and we were very excited about bringing that back. We also have our volume roller, which allows continuous control of volume, and it also clicks to play and pause music